update after recharging. Didn't have time to take video, but now that I'm packing and going, the symptom was, okay, so we replaced the, because he was having a AC not working before, just for good measure, he replaced the cycling fan clutch, replaced the O-ring where we found a little bit of oil residue around one seal, even though it was last charged in 2013 and it was full at that time, only 1 or 2 ounces low, and this is a 2002, I think, Denali GMC. Now it's just charged today, right now, and it was only 200 grams low out of 1,400 grams, somewhere around there charged, so it's barely low since 2013. And after hot soaking and idling, and I had it on high idle, like 1200 RPM for about 10 minutes, turning it off, turning it back on, and I don't know if you can see, let's see if I can see the clutch. I'm going to try to zoom in on the clutch. Zoom, focus. Come on, focus way down there. There you go. You could barely see it spinning down there. That's the clutch. Okay, so the clutch was not re-engaging. The idle was going down to like 400 RPMs and is surging up to 6.4, 6.4. Cut out the compressor, compressor would not come back in. Oh, I'm sorry, lost the clutch. Trying to see it cycle. It probably won't cycle out under idle right now. Then in about 30 seconds, 60 seconds, the engine would hunt again and try to find its idle. The clutch would kick in for a fraction of a second, do about a half rotation, and kick back out. And it kept repeating this over and over about every 30 seconds. Hunt, go stay, kick in clutch, kick out, idle go down to like 400 RPM, stay there about 30 seconds, surge up to about 600, hunt back and forth 2 or 3 cycles, kick in the clutch for about a half rotation, kick right out again, and keep repeating the cycle over and over again. I whipped out the phone, the clutch came back on and is now staying on. So he's looking for a control problem, and his idle control problem, and see, I told him check their electrical, but supposedly this is a semi-new compressor, alternator. So I'll see if I could get out another short video or mention it in one of my other videos, what he finds that was kicking out this compressor, so I could get on and go do my work. You usually never see me replace parts, but I'm actually the one who did the orifice tube replace, the cycling clutch switch, the O-ring. He went and got them. Special customer, 30 years. Worked for his dad too, when his dad used to run the shop. So go back a long time. So I actually stayed here and make sure the job was finished from beginning to end, because he's going to drive across the country and go through the desert on this vehicle. Don't want your AC cutting out when you're going through the desert and it's 110 degrees. Next video on this one will be video number 4. See if I could do a follow-up on the clutch intermittent going out. See you guys.